Cabinet Committee on Security, which is meeting today, is going to decide on Pakistan's demand for high-level talks on the LOC. Remember, Pakistan Foreign Minister Hina Rabbani Khar has made the offer of foreign minister-level talks to de-escalate tensions on the LOC. Now, that decision, whether talks should be held and whether India will agree to that offer that has been made by Pakistan, will be decided at the CCS meet that is going to take place today. The Cabinet Committee on Security is likely to meet and a call will be taken after the Prime Minister consults everybody in the Cabinet Committee for Security as to whether India should actually go ahead and talk at the foreign minister level. Remember, there are indications that have been coming since morning from various quarters in the government that India would not be too willing to go ahead with the talks at this stage. Kartikeya Sharma, Deputy Editor, is now joining us with more details. Kartikeya, the final decision rests with the CCS. When are we likely to see the final decision really be made then? What time?
You see, we have been told that this offer of Pakistan will be taken up and will be discussed threadbare in the Cabinet Committee of Security. The Cabinet Committee of Security constitutes of the Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, Home Minister and Defence Minister. Now, generally the decisions of CCS are not in the public realm, but we have been given to believe that for now the discussion will take place, but whether they'll reach a decision today or not, that one cannot say because CCS is yet to begin. The CCS has not started. So we can only say that yes, that the offer is on table. It will be discussed, taken up with the Prime Minister. But the formality of the decision or whether they want to announce it or not, I think that can only be speculated upon once the CCS is over, Maha, because the discussion on that subject has not started. And generally the decisions of CCS are not made part of the public realm.
Kartikeya, you've been talking to your sources in the government and also individually in the Congress party. What are the indications that you have been getting about India's stand on this?
You see, the stand of India is very clear that if we can send very strong messages, at least in non-military terms, to Pakistan, especially in context of people-to-people contact or trade, then that will be more effective. For example, the business delegation which was supposed to accompany the Commerce Minister for the Agra Summit will not be coming. Only Commerce Minister will attend the Agra Summit or the Investment Summit on 27th of January, and there will be no bilateral. India wants to walk that middle line. They don't want to snap ties, but despite not snapping ties, they want to give strong signals that there is no intimacy between us.